OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Opendoor stock a buy? Well, I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Here's the thing with Opendoor. It's a beautiful demand zone, and it doesn't make it that I'm gonna randomly start buying, right? But like the idea that I had yesterday was very on point. Like my timing was critical, was phenomenal. Here, let me show you the proof. Well, here it is, 17 hours ago. Price already pumped up, right? And it was sitting at 380. All I wanted to see is the price correct down, and then I take advantage of it. And then throughout the day, we came down, mitigated, and it started pumping. My 2 cents on this was that I'm not going to move anything, you know, like it's going to sit as it is because it's already kind of delivering. Key with Opendoor is that it's not just this like prediction that I've been catching here lately. Bro, I've called it out when it was 180, you know, now we're 385. So we're basically doubled in price since I made this video. And yeah, you can see this is 10 days ago. And I wanted to see the exact double break, and now it's delivering. It's phenomenal. So all I'm here to tell you, target will definitely be 495. And if you want to stay tuned and want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. And I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.